Welcome to another Mimu tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to add a new item to a venue menu. In this example, I will add a new bottle of white wine to the venue's menu. The Mimu venue app will normally be set on the workflow window. To add a new menu item, you first need to go to the menu icon at the top left-hand side of the window. Dropping this down will show you the menu structure. From the menu structure, you are able to select the category for which your menu will reside. Once you have got into the correct category, firstly, you could search to see if the drink is currently within your list by searching using the search field at the top right-hand corner. But we can see that it does not exist in our menu. The next place to search would be to see if it exists in the standard menu by changing to the standard menu using the drop-down box located here. Once in here, we are once again able to search for our particular white wine, and we can see it doesn't exist. Going back to our menu, we can now add our new menu item. This is done simply by pressing on the plus symbol next to the menu. Once this is done, it brings up the new menu item entry box. Simply add the name of the new item and the option, the price. Now when I enter a new item, I like to set the happy hour and special price to the same price as the normal price. This is only to protect you against the event that someone has set a happy hour or hits the special tick box and varies the price from what you expect. So I'll simply copy that across. And last but not least, I will add the description, which I have here. As you can see, you can add any text description that you like. Once it's done, hit save. And you can see at the top, it's now been added to your menu. On there, it will be added at the bottom of the menu. Now you can change the position of that at any time by clicking and holding on this menu icon here, and then you are able to drag it to any point within your menu, and you just simply drag it up and drop it where you like. In the event that you wanted to add an item that is already in the standard menu, you can do this simply by going into the standard menu. You can choose the item that you wish to add. So for instance, I'll add this one by clicking on the add button. We can see up here it has now been added to my menu. Going back to show my menu only, I can now see that this has been added to the bottom of my list. Now with the standard menu items, they are brought in with some suggested pricing. Now this can be modified at any time by hitting on the pen icon and then modifying the price at will. Once you've changed the price, you just hit save and you're all done. One thing that is worth noting is you do need to make sure that if you are displaying the item on your menu, that you click the tick box for display on any items that you're displaying. For instance, if you brought this in as a standard item and you didn't want the option for 2 bottles, you simply deselect that and you will only show the bottle. Thank you for watching.